Good morning, students. Today I am going to take the railway time. Okay. In previous class, already we have studied how did you using AM and PM. Yes, AM means ante-meridiem and PM means post-meridiem. Okay. AM stands for ante-meridiem and PM stands for post-meridiem. Once again listen, midnight 12 o'clock, noon 12 o'clock, to how many hours? 12 hours. Noon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock, how many hours? 12 hours. So 12 plus 12 is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Page number 34 relates to 24-hour clock with respect 12-hour clock. 24-hour clock with respect 12-hour clock. Okay, here 24-hour clock is the most commonly used time notation in the world. Okay, 24-hour clock is most commonly used time notation in the world. Listen carefully. Most of the time 24-hour clock we have seen in the railway station, but 12-hour clock we have seen in your home. Yes or no? Now we can see the 24-hour clock. Okay, 24-hour clock. Now we can see this is 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Here next listen. 12. Next after 12. 1 is called as 13. After 12, 1 is called as 13. Okay. 2 is called as 14. Then 3 is called as 15. 4 is called as 16. 5 is called as 17. 6 is called as 18. 7 is called as 19. 8 is called as 20. 9 is called as 21. 10 is called as 22. And 11 is called as 23. Okay. Then 12 is 0, 0. 0, 0. This is the midnight time. Okay. This is called the midnight time. Here listen. This is called 12 o'clock. This is called 12 o'clock. Okay. 12-hour clock. This is called as 12-hour clock. But here listen. This inner circle. One inner circle. This is called as 24-hour clock. Once again, listen carefully. The outer circle. This is called as 12-hour clock. And inner side here, inner circle, it is called as 24-hour clock. Here listen carefully. Midnight to noon. Here noon to midnight. Midnight to noon 00 hour 00 minute to 11 hour and 59 minutes. Okay. Noon to midnight 12 hour to 23 hour 59 minutes. 23 hour and 59 minutes. Okay. Here 24-hour clock does not have AM and PM. So in 24-hour clock we did not use the AM and did not mention AM and PM. Okay. So the hour start at 0 and go through 23. 0 to 23. Convert 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. One example is given. Look at the time on the digital clock. 20 hour 27 minute. 20 hour 27 minute. What's the question? Is it evening? The clock says 20 hours and 27 minutes. 20 hours and 27 minutes. Okay. You mention the hour time. 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 is equal to how much? 8. So there is no change in minute. There is no change in minutes. So how did you write 12? 20. It is converted to 8. Okay. So 8 hour and 27 minutes. 8 hour and 27 minutes PM. So 8:27 PM. Okay. The time in 12-hour clock is, it is the railway time, and the time in 12-hour clock is 8 hour 27 minutes PM. Once again, now we have see the picture. Early morning 1 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock. Early morning 1 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock. There is no change. Okay. From afternoon 12 o'clock, how did you change the railway time? 12 plus 1. Next one, 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. 12 plus 11 is equal to 23. Do you understand clearly? Students, to turn the page number 35. To change time to 12-hour clock, just subtract 12 from the hour. To change the time 24-hour clock, just add 12 to the hour. Okay. Do you anything understand here? To change the time 12-hour clock. 12-hour clock, how did you do? To subtract 12. Okay. So here 24-hour clock, you are add 12. Okay. So here listen, to convert 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. 12-hour clock to convert the 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. So how did you write? Think it. 1 PM. 1 PM. It becomes 13. How did you get the value of 13 in 24-hour clocks? Here listen. 1 PM. How did you write? 1 hour and 0 minutes. You are adding 12. Okay. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So 1 AM plus 12 PM is equal to, the railway time is 13. Okay. Here, carefully students, to convert 24 clock to 12 o'clock. 24 clock to 12 o'clock, you are subtract 12. Okay. Subtract 12 hours. Suppose to convert 12 o'clock to 24 o'clock. 12 o'clock to 24 o'clock, you are adding the value of 12. Okay. Adding the value of 12. It is very simple. To convert 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock, what do you do? To subtract the value of 12. Okay. To 12 o'clock, to convert 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock, to add the value of 12. It is very simple. You understand clearly. Convert the following clock time into 24-hour time. Two examples are done for you. So first one, 12 hour. 12 hour, it is converted to 24 hour. So how did you write? 12 hour. 12 hour plus 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Okay. Here listen, 4 hour 25 minutes. To 4 hour 25 minutes AM. How did you write? 4:25. Okay. Here 9 hour 20 minutes. 20 minutes AM. 9 hour and 20 minutes AM. So how did you write? 0, 9 and 20. Okay. 6:30 PM. So PM, listen, afternoon. So 6:30 PM. How did you do to convert? 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. Okay. So hour only you change it, but the minute did not change. Okay. So 6 plus 12 is equal to 18. 18 hour 30 minutes. There is no change in the minute. Okay. So 18 hour 30 minutes. Convert the following clock time into 12-hour time. Okay, two examples are done for you. 24 hour. 24 hour it is converted to 12 hour. 24 minus 12. 24 minus 12 is equal to 12. Okay, so 11 hour. 11 hour it does not change. So 11 a.m. Then 8 it does not change. So 8 a.m. Here 12:28. It is very important. 12:28. How did you write? It consider the PM or AM. Okay, PM or AM. So 12:28 PM or 12:28 AM. 12:28 AM. Okay. Next one 16:20. So 16 is greater than 12. Yes, 16 is greater than 12. So how did you do? 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. So 4 hours 20 minutes. 4 hours 20 minutes PM. Okay. Students, thank you. Today class is over.